Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. It's Mike here from Health and Fitness 101. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that's been gaining a lot of traction in the fitness world. It's ancient, it's holistic, and it's a game changer for your health. Yes, you guessed it right, we're talking about yoga. But before we get into it, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our fitness community. Now, let's get started. Yoga, a 5,000-year-old practice, is like a vast ocean. You can keep diving deeper and still find new treasures of health benefits. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your body and mind, offering a multitude of benefits. Imagine your body as a car. Just like how a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, your body needs yoga. Yoga is like a tune-up for your body, helping to improve your strength, flexibility, and balance. It's like the oil that keeps your body's engine running smoothly. But yoga isn't just about the physical benefits. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. Not only does it help your body, but it also does wonders for your mind. It's like a soothing balm for your mental health, helping to reduce stress, anxiety, and even depression. It's like a mental detox, flushing out all the negative thoughts and emotions. Yoga is also like a magic pill for your heart health. Regular practice can help lower your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and even your heart rate. It's like a protective shield, guarding your heart against various diseases. But wait, there's more. Yoga is like a secret weapon for your immune system. It's like a booster shot, enhancing your body's ability to fight off diseases. It's like a fortress, strengthening your body's defenses against invaders. And let's not forget about the digestive benefits. Yoga is like a natural laxative, helping to improve your digestion and prevent constipation. It's like a plumber, unclogging your body's pipes and ensuring a smooth flow. So, there you have it, folks. Yoga is like a one-stop shop for your health, offering a plethora of benefits. It's like a treasure chest, filled with jewels of health and wellness. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our fitness community. Remember, your health is your wealth, and here at Health and Fitness 101, we're all about helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. Until next time, keep stretching, keep breathing, and keep practicing yoga. This is Mike, signing off. Stay fit, stay healthy.